Hey YouTube, it's my air compressor, and it's good to open it once in a while from the bottom. And sometimes the bleeder valve is stuck, and the moisture build up inside. You can it's blocked, so you gotta open this whole piece here, the valve. Because when you finish using most people, when they finish using the air compressor, they just leave it like that with the air, but it's not good. The air inside gonna become moisture, and moisture, it's damped with the air, and that's gonna become liquid due to the humidity, and that's how your air compressor water builds up in it. As you can see, this one has a little water, so that's why it's good to empty the air in your air compressor and open this valve at the bottom, because a lot of time it builds up with water and it can explode like that or rust the inside, and it can when you start it up, the moisture can go up to the head and damage your compressor. Okay, sometimes it's gonna look like there's no water inside, as you can see in the bottom here, because it's built up with the moisture and the rust. It become like mud. So get like a screwdriver or something and just poke it a little like this, and you're gonna see all the water is gonna run out from it. Even though I bled this, I didn't bleed it properly, so that can cause it to explode and rust. As you can see, the rust inside, and this is gonna also cause for you not to get can damage your air tools. Moisture gonna get into your air tools when you start it up and put new air inside with this mixed with water and all that, then you're not gonna get good PSI for to use. I'm gonna open this part here and then clean it out inside. You can use some air to clean it out and stuff.